So I'm gonna rank each fabric of gloves. We'll rank this to see uh, how durable they are on spins, to see how happy a spin and washing machine are recommended for each fabric of gloves. Let's start with cotton ones. They are recommended between 800 and 1200 RPM. But I couldn't find between 800 and 1200 RPM, so I'm gonna put this this at between 1000 and 1200. Now, wool gloves between 400 and 600 PM recommended. Come on. Come on. There we go. Between 400 and 600. Cashmere gloves. 400 RPM mark. I'll put this at between 0 and 400 RPM. Leather gloves. Yeah, I was right. No machine spin or max 400 RPM. But honestly, machine washable leather gloves. Come on. There we go. I should have put a not machine washable, but because ChatGPT says that no machine spin or max 400. Yeah, I could put this as between 0 and 400 RPM. Or I could just doing hand wash and just spin and then spin in wash machine just 400 PM, or just wash my hand and put a hair dry. Let me do it again. I could have put I could have, if they're dirty, I could have washed leather gloves. I could have washed leather gloves manual with my hand and and put leather gloves in the washing machine to spin just 400 RPM, maximum 400 RPM, or maybe and put it in air dry only, or I could wash leather gloves with my hand and then put air dry without spinning them in a wash machine. Anyways, we just wasted a little bit of time. Let's continue with fleece gloves, because I couldn't find synthetic gloves. Fleece gloves, 600 RPM. Ski, I don't know how to pronounce it. Waterproof gloves between 400 and 600. I chose waterproof ones, 400 and 600. Work gloves with neutral cloth coating. We just try Arabian. Wait, let me check again. Yeah, this is Arabian. Come on! Why is it not working? It's been a long time. It's been 5 minutes. Arabian. Yeah, it's just Arabian. Cycling sport clothes. Cycling ones. Because 600,000 RPM. Sorry. I 600,000 RPM, yeah. But I couldn't find 600,000 between 600,000 RPM here. So I'm gonna put 800,000 RPM. Wait, why's it not working? Come on. Maybe I should hold it harder. It's been a long time. Let me zoom in for a bit. No. There we go. Between 800,000 RPM because I couldn't find between 600,000 RPM. So goes next one or 400 RPM. I'll put this between 0 and 400 RPM. It's just next spin of 400 RPM. So I'll put this. It says next spin of 400 RPM. Between 0 and 400 RPM is okay. Last but not least, electronic gloves. I found electric gloves because I couldn't find electronic ones. Do not machine wash or spin unless manufacturer allows. There we go. I'll put this out as not machine washable. Okay. I want to say that on I could have put leather gloves on at just 400 RPM maximum 400 RPM, not higher. But I have to wash it manual first before putting in the washing machine at 400 RPM. I could just wash leather gloves manual and put in air dry without spinning in a washing machine. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.